In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can easily install APKs and how you can easily sideload apps here on your Vidaa Smart TV. Okay, for first what we can do is we go here into the home menu and then go all the way to the right until we get into the browser app. So this is a pre-installed app here on your Vidaa TV, and yeah, you should see this here. So click on this, and then for the next step, what we can do is that we here look for the download app. So type in here download app, and here we can go there, and then we can easily here download or try to download the download app. And then in the download app you can easily download many different apps or sideload apps and download APKs. So here I have like downloader by AFTV News, and now we can easily go here on install, and then here on download app we can easily look for the apps we want to download, and then we can easily download the APKs here. And yeah, this is all you have to do. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.